Today we will learn about what is DNA. Learning points. State what DNA is and where it can be found. Describe the double helix and its discovery. Explain the structure of a nucleotide and the complementary bases. What is DNA? DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is a genetic material found in the nucleus of cells. It is a complex polymer which carries the genetic code. This determines all of the characteristics of a living organism. Discovering DNA. Scientists James Watson and Francis Crick built on the work of other scientists to discover the structure of DNA in 1953. Using X-ray crystallography techniques, they discovered that DNA is made of two strands coiled into a double helix shape. What is a double helix? DNA is in a double helix shape. It consists of two parallel strands of DNA twisted around each other. What is a nucleotide? Nucleotides are the units which DNA is composed of. Each nucleotide includes a phosphate group, a sugar section, and one of the four bases. These are the parts of nucleotide: phosphate, sugar, and base. Base pairs. Each nucleotide has a base. There are four different bases in DNA: thymine, adenine, guanine, and cytosine. A and T are a pair. G and C are a pair. The complementary pairs are hydrogen bonded together. This maintains the DNA structure. Have a closer look on the structure. Triplet code. A triplet code is a sequence of three bases which codes for a particular amino acid. The sequence order of the amino acids determine the particular protein produced.